Hey everybody, welcome to my video. My name is Mohit and you are watching my channel MK Tech. So today I am going to tell you how you can delete your Microsoft partition or your bootcamp partition on your Mac machine. So for this, first of all, we'll go to the search button and open the disk utility. When you open your disk utility, you will see the box, and here you can see your hard disk. So total hard disk space on my machine, actually my machine has 128 GB hard disk, and we have Mac on 84 GB 87 GB, and bootcamp, Windows partition is for 35 GB. So now what I will do, I will erase this bootcamp and free this space and include it into the my hard disk. It means I am totally going to erase my Microsoft partition and including my that space into my Mac hard disk. So what we are going to do, just click on this Mac hard disk and we'll go to the partition. Here you can see there are two spaces. One is Mac and other one is bootcamp, Macintosh HT and bootcamp. So we will click on this bootcamp. Here you can see there is a 33 GB partition. So what we are going to do, once you click on the bootcamp, here you can see the minus option. Click on this minus option. Once you click, it will ask you for the confirmation. This partition will be erased, bootcamp. So once we click on the remove, the partition will be erased. Click on remove button. Now you can see the partition has been erased, and the capacity of my hard disk has been increased. It was earlier uh, 85 GB. Now it has been increased to 120 GB. So the partition, the Windows partition has been completely deleted, and the space has been recovered successfully. So I hope you understand how you can erase or delete your bootcamp or Mac partition, Windows partition. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.